So let's say we bought here. You guys ready to see what this contract price is? So if we bought this here, let me draw this out for you. This is another good thing you guys can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to draw this line. You see it right on that second one? Now let's say I bought, we'll say I bought in here. Now obviously it wouldn't be up on the top of this candle. It would be down here. So 126, let's say we bought 127 calls, right? Because typically I do one out of the money, which means if it was at 126, right, then I'm going to do this. Does that make sense?
Yes, coach.
So let's do this. Let's say I bought 127 calls, right? And we'll say same day. And now if I go back to my chart, that was at 9:58. See the time? 9:58 on my 2-minute, 127. Go back to my chart. 9:50, was it 9:58?
Yes.
Vertical, right there. So I paid 71 cents. You see it? Oh, wait. No, I paid less, 52 cents. See it? And that's on the high side, 52 cents. Look where it's at. So that 3X, do you see it? It went up to $1.55 and now it's sitting at $1.40. Do you see it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is a 300%, by the way. Yeah, go ahead.
I missed it. How do you change your
Your graph from stock price
graph,
to option
exactly.
price.
Oh, all you
Yeah.
need to do is actually click on it. Let me show you again. So if I'm in Apple, so this is my regular chart, right? If I go to the options and actually select the option like what we were talking about, and then I click chart, it's automatically going to be my options chart. Do you see it?
Nice. Thank you, sir. Big
Yeah,
info
so
for me there. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. So this is a
Good
good way to
tip.
go back and look. But do you see how this patience would have paid off, right? Even though we're like, oh, theta and time decay, it really doesn't affect like that. Not in the same day. Now come tomorrow, right? It would be crap. Of course, if today was Thursday and tomorrow was Friday, you'd lose a ton on theta, right? But you're not going to lose anything in the same day. So do you guys see this? So this 50 cents or wherever we bought it at, because honestly, you could have bought it down here. It could have been 43 cents all the way up to, I mean, it wouldn't be this high. You wouldn't do that. Even up to 60 cents, whatever. Do you see how much money you made off this one move?
Yes.
So you just have to be patient. Let it do what it's supposed to do. Buy how many you're supposed to buy. If you're sweating in a trade, you know you're in too deep, right? Get out of those types of trades. Stop trading like that. That's not what you're supposed to be in. And if you were in shares, right? If you were in shares, we bought them, we'll say in the middle, same thing. You bought them at 126.29. It's sitting at 128.25. It's $2 up. You made $2 on that from the entry of the 2-minute EWO. If you had 100 shares, that's $200 safely, right?
Wow.
So, and you can, do you see how much easier that is? That's easy going. Put it in, set it, forget it, let it run, do what it needs to do. I don't even need to babysit this thing anymore, right? Just let it go. You can set alerts, you walk away, whatever you're comfortable with, your comfort level, right? You can set in here and go, hey, if this starts to come back to, like, what is this? If this starts to float back to 127.76, I'm already up 200%. I'll take my piece here. I can literally come in right here and I can set an alert. Create alert. If this goes below this number, or there's any news, or there's a sharp rise or sharp fall, I want to know about it. I click save. There's my notification. My phone, laptop, computer, everything's going to be like ding, 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 ding. Okay.